Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're looking at the Hart in the Hyper Tough garden section. Yeah, seems like this Walmart just got some tools. We're just going to be looking at them. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews videos. Yeah, that's the Hyper Toughs. That's a post all right there. And then they still have a lot of Hyper Tough in this Walmart. The Walmart that's nearby my house doesn't really have a lot of Hyper Tough left. This combined two, that's actually two batteries combined make it 40 volts, and that is the chainsaw. That's the 20 volt max. Yeah, that string trimmer is actually two batteries, so it's 40 volts. And then that's the blower, cordless blower for 74. 2-port battery charger for 49.86. And then 29.72 for that small charger, and then a battery 38. The string $7. More blowers up there. Yeah, they have a lot of tools on this. They're still pushing it pretty hard. The 40 volts and the 20 volt Hyper Tough. $66 for that string trimmer. Like I said, that's a dual battery. That's a really nice, powerful trimmer. So if you guys are looking for a powerful tool that's not super expensive, that 40 volts it's very powerful actually. So, and then you got those some more trimmers here, the chainsaw. Yeah, they got a pretty big line. That is the Hart 20 volt system. One battery powers all tools. Complete 20 volt system, harttools.com. And I gotta say, pretty good quality from the feels of this. I like the handle, the rubber feels pretty good quality, pretty decent. The battery seems a little, I couldn't take it off because it's obviously it's a display model that I don't want people stealing batteries. But yeah, battery seems to be pretty plain, doesn't have any gauge or anything. So it seems to be maybe further down we'll get bigger batteries with the gauge, but for now we don't have a gauge on these batteries. But yeah, overall the trimmer feels pretty good. Feels actually not that heavy. It feels pretty solid. It's $96, so it's not too bad of a price. This is a Hart 20 volt system hybrid. So most of these tools are hybrids. If you guys don't know what hybrid is, hybrid means that you can power it with the battery, or you can power it with an extension cord, as you guys see down there at the bottom. It says up to 1/3 of an acre per charge, no mixing gas oil, one battery, multiple tools, hybrid, use battery or cord, 3-year limited warranty. Really nice Hart tools that they have here. And I don't know if you guys know, but Hart, it is made by TTI. TTI makes all the bigger brands like Joby, Rigid, Milwaukee. So they are definitely not a beginner company. And as you guys can see, there's the blower, there's the battery compartment. Really nice tool, great build there. 20 volts. And that's the fan on the inside. Then you have an H for the Hart. And then that's the string trimmer. It's actually kind of hard to get it out with one hand. The other one I was holding the phone. But yeah, that's the extension. So if you want to extend it, if you're a taller or shorter person, you can extend it to however your preference are. Really nice grip there, and switches or triggers. It says extension cord wrap, so you can wrap down the extension cord there, so you're not actually, when you pull it, you're not disconnecting. Really nice tools. Yeah, and as you guys see, there's the battery compartment up there. And that is the combo that they have for $148. Not a bad deal. I guess you get two batteries, charger, and two tools. So it's a 12-inch string trimmer edger. and a blower. Those are the ones that you get. And 20-volt system, hybrid, 12-inch string trimmer by itself. It's 96 bucks. And compared to that, about 66. I was just comparing the models, 96. And then you got the backpack sprayer, chemical sprayer. I don't know if you guys spray for weeds or pesticides at home, but you know, having something like this, if you have a bigger yard, you can just carry it around your back and you won't hurt your back. $97 for that 2-gallon chemical sprayer. And then that's the blower by itself, really nice blower for 96 bucks. And that's the spool for the string trimmer. And that is the battery charger, a fast charger, $34.88. I was just curious to see what this fast charger looks like. It's like a 2-piece type of thing. Then you got the 2-amp-hour battery for 54 bucks. And yeah, seems like those are all the tools that they have for Hart. I gotta say, pretty good deals there. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.